get some 4/0 steel wool and just brighten up these contacts. Now on this coach, which is a brand new rig here at the show, these are pretty shiny already. But what you want to do is take off the dirt, take off the corrosion that's going to build up on these shoreline cord contacts. That way when you plug into the receptacle at the campground, you'll ensure that transfer of energy has a better chance of not overheating and eliminating the arcing and the sparking that can occur. Now what you can do, if you take care of your end of the shoreline cord, before you turn your breakers on, plug the cord in at the campground pedestal, unplug it, plug it in, unplug it. What am I doing? Basically, I'm scraping off the corrosion and the buildup inside the female portion of the receptacle at the campground. Doing your very best part to make sure that transfer of energy, you've got 50 amps on each of these two conductors here. So you basically could have 100 amps of power coming into your rig. That transfer of energy builds up a lot of heat.